Alright, got the Motown playing in the background. Walk On By is the first Motown song I've ever listened to when I was a kid, and been in love with it ever since. But let's talk a little bit about circuit building and how things can be done a little differently than what you may be accustomed to in your labs. First of all, we are showing some notation in engineering notebook fashion. What the task is, notable, interesting points, but I want to talk specifically about circuit building. And in the circuit building process, notice that the only wires that I have that are of any length and significance from the Arduino board are as minimal as possible. I've got the 5-volt wire coming over here and then jumping over to this other rail. I've got the ground coming over to here, and then I've got the timer coming off of pin number 2 to trigger the transistor. Transistors are set up in such a way that they are pins right next to each other. They're not twisted around, bent, anything weird. The diode is also cut down low, and I'm also using very neat little jumper wires to reduce the what I call spaghetti wiring that clutters up so many circuit build projects. The LEDs are cut down low, and as are the resistors, again to minimize the clutter of what's happening on the board. Here is a view of the little jumper wire kit that's used. So I use these in conjunction with the more popular current style of wires. These are very popular also for very quick builds, but for documentation purposes, this is a much nicer, neater, cleaner looking approach to circuit building, I think. And I just wanted to show this as something of a challenge for our new generation of circuit builders to think about.